my dear friends, and welcome to my next lesson. Today I'm going to speak with you about the environmental protection. The students are afraid of this topic and they believe that it's very complicated. But in my class, I'd like to persuade you that it's not so difficult at all. So let's get started. It goes without saying that people should live in harmony with nature. So that's why the first point is to live in harmony with nature. At the moment, we are living in the period of world globalization. So the second point is to live in the period of world globalization. It means жить в период всемирной глобализации. So the world globalization threatens our human life. So the third point is to threaten a human life. To threaten means угрожать. Threat – угроза, существительное. Unfortunately, our planet is in danger. So please look at the fourth point. The planet is in danger. It means планета в опасности. While writing a letter or an essay, please don't forget to mention the environmental problems. So point number 5, the planet faces a number of environmental problems, such as acid rains, кислотные дожди, air pollution, загрязнение воздуха, massive deforestation, массовая вырубка лесов, overpopulation, перенаселение, urbanization, урбанизация, illegal hunting, нелегальная охота, global warming, глобальное потепление, and waste problem, проблемы мусора. While writing an essay or a letter, it would be great if you mention some environmental organizations. So please look at point number 6. There is a list of environmental protection organizations, such as Greenpeace, Friend of Earth, and World Wildlife Funds. These are 3 the most popular environmental protection organizations, то есть организации по защите окружающей среды. So the next point, point number 7, is to reduce the environmental impact. Please pay attention to the word impact, влияние. Сократить влияние на окружающую среду, environmental impact. Of course, people have to participate in the protection of the environmental. So that's why point number 8 is very nice, to be actively involved in helping to protect the environment. Быть вовлеченным в то, чтобы помогать защищать окружающую среду. So, what can an individual do to help protecting the environment? So, point number 9, it's one of our activities. We can join a local environmental group. Мы можем присоединиться, вступить в местную группу по защите окружающей среды. People can also raise awareness, point number 10, to raise awareness of problems. То есть повышать осведомленность проблемы. So, children at school, for example, the employees at work, they have to be aware of the problem. Они должны быть в курсе проблемы окружающей среды. So the next point, point number 11, so we can help people to become environment educated. So to give some lectures, to explain, to give some excursions around the plants. То есть мы должны помочь людям становиться образованными в плане окружающей среды, понимать состояние окружающей среды. It's also possible, for example, point number 12, to run educational programs for students at schools or universities. То есть мы можем проводить образовательные программы для студентов в школах и университетах. So the next point, point 13, to solve or to tackle environmental problems. By the way, to solve the problem, решать проблему, вы можете использовать в любой ситуации. You can use in any situation. It's not only about the environmental problems. Это не только о проблемах окружающей среды. They are synonyms, синонимы. To solve or to tackle environmental problems. So the next point, point 14, is to work together to improve environmental standards. Работать вместе, чтобы улучшить стандарты защиты окружающей среды. It's high time to understand that people should do something in order to help our nature. So that's why point number 15, to realize that situation needs changing. Это означает, необходимо осознать, что нужно менять ситуацию. So the next point is number 16. So to blame our consumer society. Please, I'd like to draw your attention to consumer society. Very nice expression. Общество потребления. Обвинять общество потребления. To blame the consumer society. People should help our nature and protect the environment. So point number 17, we speak about our own contribution, наш собственный взнос, our own contribution to solving the environmental problems. What can we do? Point number 1, we can separate the rubbish into different categories. Мы можем разделять мусор на различные категории. We can never leave lights on or water taps running. Мы не будем оставлять свет включенным или кран воды открытым. Point number 3. We can use reusable and washable containers. Мы можем использовать многоразовые или моющиеся контейнеры. So point number 4. We can use less washing up liquids. Мы можем использовать меньше моющихся средств. And the final one, point number 5. We can plant trees. Мы можем сажать деревья. My dear friends, ecological problems concern everybody. So, point number 18, ecological problems concern everybody. Means экологические проблемы касаются каждого. So, the next point, point number 19, to prevent the disappearance of the lungs of our planet. То есть предотвратить исчезновение легких нашей планеты, lungs of our planet. And the final point, number 20, you can use this sentence, for example, at the end of your essay, like a summary. Unless some radical steps are taken in the nearest future, life on our planet may be destroyed. It means, до тех пор, пока радикальные шаги не будут предприняты в ближайшее будущее, наша планета может быть разрушена. So that is all vocabulary, and our lesson is over. Thank you very much for your attention, and I do hope that you will use these very nice, useful sentences and expressions in your letters and essays. As a rule, at the end of this video, you will be offered a letter and some topics of essays, and you can try to write them. If you want me to check your letters and essays, you can connect me and as a rule, at the end of this video, you will see all my details for connections. Please put likes and come back to my channel again. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.